Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to close the apps running in the background on this device. First, we need to open the Recent Apps menu. To do it, we need to tap on this Recent Apps button right here, the square button. As you can see here, we have a list of apps that were recently opened and they're still opened in the background. Basically, they're running in the background. And we can close them by swiping left or right on one, like this. Or if you want to close them all at the same time, you can tap this button right here in the bottom right corner to clear them all, like this. And that's how you close the apps running in the background on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.